time like summertime. Cool sea breezes, clear blue skies above, long daytime hours, barbecues, fetes, friends, and of course reggae music drifting on the cool outdoor breeze. Summertime is worth looking forward to. During those dark, dreary, and cold winter days, and with summer comes an array of exotic fruits, including the much loved and amazing mango. Mangoes are among one of the most nutritional fruits grown in Jamaica, and we Jamaicans are passionate about our mangoes. We often overindulge by replacing meals with mangoes, as the song says. The eagerly awaited mango season starts around April or May and ends in late July, with one exception of the Tommy Atkins, which comes in around September or October. When mangoes are in season, everyone finds a long pole, a stick, or even a few rocks so they can help themselves from their chosen trees. Almost everyone has their favorite, and there are always a variety to choose from. It is not uncommon for those who have mango trees at home to find someone in your yard array the mango tree, as you would normally say. Blackie, Bastard, Bombay, East Indian, Graham, Greengage, Aiden, Julie, Erie, Kent, Longy, Millie, Number 11, Number 7, Red Jaw, Robin, and those are just some of the crazy names we Jamaicans have for mangoes. Mangoes are an awesome fruit for so many reasons. Not only are they a sweet treat that won't kill your diet, but 1 cup of diced mango contains around 100 calories. Here are some of the amazing health benefits of mangoes. Prevents cancer. Mangoes are rich in antioxidant, with a good source of protective compounds. Research has shown antioxidant compounds in mangoes have been found to protect against colon, breast, leukemia, and prostate cancers. Lowers cholesterol. The high levels of fiber, pectin, and vitamin C in mangoes help to lower serum cholesterol levels, specifically low-density lipoprotein, the bad stuff. It also clears the skin. Mangoes can be used both internally and externally for the skin and hair. It clears clogged pores and eliminates pimples. It contains reasonable levels of both vitamin A and C. Vitamin C is involved with the formation of collagen, the protein that acts as a scaffold to our skin, keeping it plump and firm. Vitamin C is one of the most important antioxidants, playing a protective role against environmental damage. Vitamin C deficiency can affect wound healing and increase fine lines and wrinkles. Our hair also requires vitamin C for both collagen production and to aid the absorption of iron and growth. Eye health. 1 cup of sliced mangoes supplies 25% of the needed daily value of vitamin A, which promotes good eyesight and prevents night blindness and dry eyes. All our cells require vitamin A for growth and signs of aging. It is responsible for the production of sebum, the oily substance that moisturizes our skin and scalp. Alkalizes the whole body. The tartaric acid, malic acid, and a trace of citric acid found in the fruit help to maintain the alkali reserve of the body. A 2012 study looking at the peel of mangoes concluded that it may play a role in preventing obesity, thanks to the plant chemicals located in the skin. Another study in 2018 demonstrated that people with chronic constipation who ate mangoes over a 4-week period enjoyed a significant improvement in their symptoms, due in part to the fiber content and other compounds in the fruit. Helps in diabetes. Mango leaves help normalize insulin levels in the blood. The traditional home remedy involves boiling the leaves in water, soaking through the night, and then consuming the filtered concoction in the morning. Mango fruit also have a relatively low glycemic index, that's 41 to 60, so moderate quantities will not spike your sugar levels. Improved sex. Mangoes are a great source of vitamin E. Even though the popular connection between sex drive and vitamin E was originally created by a mistaken generalization of studies of rat, further research has shown balanced proper amounts, as from whole food, does help in this area. Improves digestion. Papayas are not the only fruit that contain enzymes for breaking down protein. There are several fruits, including mangoes, which have this helpful quality. The fiber in mangoes also helps digestion as well as eliminating waste from the body. Remedy for heat stroke. Juicing the fruit from green mango and mixing with water and a sweetener helps to cool down the body and prevent harm to the body. From an Ayurvedic point of view, the reason people often get diuretic and exhausted when visiting equatorial climates is because the strong sun energy is burning up your body, particularly the muscles. The kidneys then become overloaded with the toxins from this process. Mangoes also help to boost your immune system. The generous amounts of vitamin C and A in mangoes plus 25 different kinds of carotenoids help keep your immune system healthy and strong. And finally, a 2016 study suggested magniferin in mangoes may offer heart protective benefits, including reduction in inflammation. And further studies in animals suggest the same plant chemicals may aid cholesterol balance. Mangoes are generally recognized as safe for most people when included as part of a varied balanced diet, unless in rare cases where people are super sensitive to certain fruits or foods. Thank you so much for watching.
Me no drink coffee tea.